A new report shows a major shift happening right now on the peninsula. The population is aging fast, and that could impact everything from healthcare to housing to 911 response times. Here's why the Peninsula Community Foundation of Virginia says it's time to start planning. You may not notice it day to day, but across the peninsula, our communities are changing.
The population of older neighbors across the peninsula is going to grow substantially over the next 25 years.
Adelia Thompson leads the Peninsula Community Foundation of Virginia. The group's new report shows the number of residents age 80 and older is expected to more than double by 2050.
With that also comes an increase substantial in health care needs, in home care needs, in the ability to age safely in homes.
That could also mean more demand for caregivers and more strain on the systems in place.
The very workforce that we will need to turn to provide more people to be more caregivers faces the same challenge of how to care for the very young and their older family members that the rest of us do.
Emergency services are already feeling the pressure.
The skew is substantial already over the last 3 years in the number of calls placed by our older neighbors versus the younger folks across our community. That's only going to increase.
The foundation gathered data from all 6 peninsula cities and counties. Thompson says local leaders took notice.
They actually funded the research. The municipalities did, because it was important enough.
And while the report outlines big challenges, it also points to real opportunity.
We're going to have a whole lot more neighbors who have a whole lot of life experience to share. This isn't a warning. It is a call to action, but it's going to take all of us, nonprofit, businesses, and governments working together to come up with an elegant way forward.
Well, the report also highlights housing as a top concern, saying many older adults struggle to find safe, affordable places to live. It calls on local leaders to prioritize accessible housing on the peninsula. If you know someone making a mark in the community, email me at the address on your screen. I want to tell their story.